Area I throw salute. On a day welcome for football and betting after match. Talk how you see them. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, turn on the notification button, and drop comments for inside this video. Arsenal 3 and Bournemouth 2. And we got a guy Latino, we be like Bunge Arsenal fan. He carry Arsenal colors come today, come represent. And if you look in face, you see say one of Bunge smile for inside face because a team don't deliver. Oga Latino, this match, your team go 2-0 down. So can people say don't even look at Arsenal let's say, like say if you even reach the step. But they come back from 2-0 down. How as Arsenal fan where you be, how you see this performance? What do you get to take country people?
It should say the team get character. No say I think this is the second time inside 2 weeks we come down from 2 goals to win match, like the Villa match. And we still come from behind and we win down 4-2. This one, for the beginning, the performance was not that good. Generally, say not just good, but we still managed to take our 3 points. Then our sign say champion stuff with that one. Anyway, generally, the officiating, I like to go into those things properly because officiating don't rob us of points, especially the Brentford match. Today, we get 4 clear handball inside 18. I never understand what if they will need to explain to us what it be handball or what it be ball to hand. We get 4 handball inside the 18. They overlook them. Thank God, we save the best for the last.
You can drag your 3 points.
Now so it be.
You understand? Like I better pass my neighbor.
Now so it just be. Now so we they do am. And that's what they do on the count this season. Even against Man United, now that means they scored 3-2. The same thing again for here again. And I thank God say the coach really say some players not they perform. He put all the ones like the one they put now. They had Nelson. No can I can change. I can score the winning goal for the 9 minutes of the game.
So how you see the title race this season? Because Manchester City, they first play their own today against Newcastle, they win. Arsenal come, they go play, they don't play now. Tomorrow, we know say Man U form now, go. They go face Liverpool. We never know how that one go be because now they say now 2 elephants, but some people they talk, they be like say one of the elephants is sick. So but tomorrow now we'll go find out. But how you see the title race this season?
The title race still they open. In the sense that now only 5.3%. Just 5 points. That is, if you look at that, be like 1.5 match or let's say 2 matches. And if not be say we drag this 3 point down, how many points for we now? For that lost 2 points down to Man City. Maybe they not zero that Mario. And you form where they did now. Not be a joke, not be bele matter. They did try now. And they give them, and if you don't say now Liverpool they play tomorrow, you see, there's what we call winning mentality. If you didn't win, regardless of how many matches they play, as far as you didn't win, that winning feeling will deal with you. So Liverpool don't get an easy tomorrow. Man U too not going to get an easy because this kind of match like this, now you see the big team where they sleep before they rise up. But in generally, I hope say we go win them more. But by you see the calculation now, we need to play Man City again.
We'll still get Chelsea.
We still get Chelsea. We still get Liverpool. Return legs. But for fixtures now, on paper, the next 5 fixtures now on paper, they easy for us. On paper, you know, see when they enter, the different things they do. Now, so they say talk this was an easy one. You see how it be. So not be entire rapper self. Now we can just lose out with force. Now so it just be.
So for this match now, you talk to the performance, not too clear like that. Say bad one kind, but which player you feel point say at all, you understand? They say instead of ground to draw you for me, you obeyed. So who you go feel point say now him be the man of the match?
My own be say the way I looked into it for people, I go give am to the goalkeeper. Yes, because when they were, I think when they scored the first goal, they get opportunity to score the second goal. For that same first half, he made a brilliant save. So as I said before, generally the performance of the players today not today top notch like what we used to see them. But for me, I think I'll give them to the goalkeeper today. And he keep us in the game. With those some saves to keep us in the game. So and if you watch the last goal just now, as he collect the ball for the guy hand, he quickly release the ball to the player so that they move forward. That corner. So in the in tune the attitude today is very okay. And we say the defense, they just get more misunderstanding today. And so we consider 2 goals to a relegation team. But now, mind you, say these people they call relegation, that they had past people who they top half of the table because as they did so, they're ready to die with anybody. Because they say who they grant. Not get away one go again. He not get away one go again. Now grant it already. And I'll say your bit. But I will keep our game. Ramsey now will give it to.
So, Oga Latino, before I let you go, I want to ask you about Arsenal Europa Cup game this week against Sporting. What do you predict for that one?
That's not a tough match. Not tell you like Sporting not be small picking club. Because for that Portuguese league there too, Sporting, I think Porto, Benfica, and Braga. If you watch them very well, Porto, Benfica, they find it difficult to play Sporting. And these 2 people now be the powerhouse for Portuguese football. And they call you to give people a problem. Talk about person they give them problem for their own home. It not go there easy. But say that match, the guy must make some changes to rest some players. Some players that they play consistently for the season. They call especially our 2 centre back. They have been playing the Premier League. They don't play and they come since no alteration. Except maybe the few Europa League and FA Cup and EFA Cup and what we don't come on safe. But we must keep momentum. We cannot just go there with a weakened team. Say, if we go there, they will spank us. We must keep momentum because anything make us look for that match, if it affect our league form. So we must keep momentum, put a decent team out there, even now draw safe. Say the match now they don't get a way go again. So if you take a draw there, you call home, come do the business. But if you still go there, still take a lead before coming back home, it's still good. But Moke will make sure so we not lose for there. So that we know if we come home, call the climb mountain because matches where they are around us now for the day, it is choked up. So if we lose there, now, that means we have to play our first team in the return leg. And say match is full ground. So just make it put a decent team out. And some players will not play before. Give them like this guy who scored the last goal now. Reiss Nelson. Make it start that match. Saka need the rest. If you watch him today, he look lethargic. He look tired a little bit. He need the rest. He has been playing. After you walk up there, he still come back to play again. He need to rest Saka. Then Smith too. I don't know whether an injury he gets.
I'll talk and say never did 100%.
So because they put them, they remove them again. So maybe enough you go with the reading of the game, go if you don't deal with the play ball. So that one now, I would say they start them from the onset. They give us at least 45 minutes. We need all the players on board now that can get meat in their legs, can move forward. Then maybe the defense holding to come in to replace Saliba. Saliba need to rest because for some time now, if you watch the way they play, they shake small. Many tires already creeping, so you need to go to and take a hot water bath to strengthen those thighs. You don't understand? Those thigh muscle where they shrink small. When you put time, you go stretch, and I say you'll be. But I know I get hope say. Then they say we see fears. But they don't say who they perform for league now. Nah, so because they don't say who they perform for league. As it is now we be league leaders for England. So then go see fears. But they give us a slim victory, maybe. You know, so we consider go these days. 1-2 or 2-1 or 1-0, something like that.
All right, now Galatino, thank you for your time. The people now lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.